What's up, guys? I haven't made a video. Well, I have my laptop here. Let's see what the last video I uploaded was. Let's see. Topps Holiday. This was October 7th, 2019. So it's been a long time. The last time I recorded a Boombox was also the last time I bought one, which was over 2.5 years ago. And I pulled a Luka rookie auto from Revolution. So we have the UFC Boombox, and I'm recording this because there isn't any of them on YouTube. So I figured I would be the first to do it. So this is the reason I bought it, for the Prizm and Select UFC, plus the 3 packs. I don't think they're bonus packs. I think you just get what you get with those 7 packs. Already spilled the peanuts. We did not get any kind of bonus pack. There's a magnetic. Would love to have to use it. I think everyone says that when they open one of these. You really, ideally, would like to be able to use it. So we'll put this there. So we have, rearrange these the way I want to open them. So we have 3 Topps packs. I think there's 2 autos per box in this. 2018 Topps Chrome with the Sean O'Malley rookies. 2019 with the Islam Makhachev rookies. And then the new products in Select and Prizm. So this is a pretty expensive break. I have opened one UFC box, and it was on YouTube in 2010. So that was the last time I've opened UFC. I'm newly a fan, and it's kind of become an obsession of mine. So let's see if we can get something cool. Anthony Lionheart-Smith just won this weekend. Vivian Araujo, I don't know. Marion Renault. Johnny Walker. Chukasian. I don't want to put these sideways. Curtis Blades. Yair Rodriguez. Izzy. So all base cards. Alexander Rakic and Gregor Gillespie. So no inserts or anything in there. I don't know if they're all like that. They kind of have a bow to them as well. Arnold Allen. Kevin Lee. Joanne Calderwood. Augusto Sakai. Insert of Johnny Walker. Jared Cannonier, who just won a couple weeks ago. Uriah Hall, who lost a few weeks ago. Adelia and Jeff Neal. So the Topps pack's not great. Tatiana Suarez, Dustin Poirier, Jack Hermanson, Ostovich, Tony Ferguson. So we have a rainbow foil of Calvin Cutter. Some kind of silver of Thiago Santos. That's not numbered. Rainbow foil won't be numbered either. Walt Harris, Aspen Ladd, and Lauren Murphy. So those packs were terrible. Okay, let's see if we can get something out of Topps Chrome. Doubt it with 1 pack, but it would be really cool. See if we have anything thick. There is a thick card, so we may have an auto or a colored refractor. Wow, look at the top. Conor McGregor. Then maybe an auto. Nope, just a Tyron Woodley refractor, which sucks because I don't like Tyron Woodley at all. Josh Emmett and Holly Holm. So the refractor is not numbered, just like all other sports. 2019 Topps Chrome, we're going for the Makhachev. There's also a thicker card in here. Ben Askren, looks like just another refractor. Oh, no, it's an auto. Ashley Yoder. So, womp womp. Mackenzie Dern, Scott Holtzman. Ben Askren sucks. So we got an auto, but not the one you're looking for. Here is Panini Select, $75 a pack. Oh, we may have an auto. Michael Chiesa, Dominic Cruz. Take the back card, Jack Hermanson. Then there's a tricolor. I'm gonna flip this without looking. You guys might see it before I do. My eyes are closed. Dominic Cruz. The tricolor is a rookie, flyweight, Brandon Moreno. Pretty cool. And we definitely have an auto, rookie, Rodolfo Vieira. Literally in everything I've ever seen of Panini, he's in every freaking pack. Here's Prizm. I guess I can't complain about two autos, but that's not the one I was looking for. Here is Prizm. We do not have an auto. We have a red and a silver, and I don't think that's a good combo. Dominic Cruz, Smogalov, Yuri Prohashka. Cool. Did want one of those, so we'll take that. Another rookie, Ryan Spann, who just got smoked this week. Ryan Spann, Kevin Holland, Dustin Poirier, Raquel Pennington just won this weekend, Marlon Vittori, John Jones, cool. So our red is sideways, not a rookie. Colby Covington, that sucks. The insert, Conor McGregor, instant impact. And the silver is sideways, not a rookie, and it sucks. So, not a great box. Did get two autos. Kind of sucked. Thanks for watching.